Today we're going to be cutting a tomahawk steak off of a rib section. The tomahawk steak is basically a ribeye with the long, short rib bone still attached. If we had the spinal cord on, we would saw through it with our saw, and then we're going to cut right in between these two rib bones here. But they've already taken the spinal cord off for me, so nice and easy. Nice gentle cut. Try to make nice long strokes. If you're making short strokes, keep going back and forth over the meat, not necessarily cutting the same spot. So this just makes it look a little bit cleaner. So now I made it down here to this cartilagey part. So I'll take my saw, cut in between there. There's the start of a tomahawk. Typically with tomahawks, this rib portion will be cleaned up so you won't have any meat on it. You can leave it on there, but then it's not a tomahawk anymore, it's a dino bone. So I'm gonna remove this tendon piece, which is gonna break down. I'm actually gonna start by cutting it on the top of the rib bone, and that way I can keep this whole piece of meat sort of in one piece, and you can sell that as boneless short rib. So now you want to tie this thing up, make it kind of look pretty. You want this part of your steak to be nice and compact so that it cooks evenly and kind of doesn't flop all over the place. Run my string around that rib bone so I can use it as leverage, give me something to tie it to, and I just kind of come around and then run my string around the rib bone so that I can tighten it up. Boom, tomahawk. A little bit of salt, pepper, put it on the old Santa Maria. It's gonna be real nice.